Darkness of Dragons, Wings of Fire, Book 10, Chapter 7. Vulture's eyes flicked over Quibbly and Winter, assessing them at the speed of the lightning. Then he returned his attention to the scavengers in the maze. "Hold your tongues for a moment," he said. "I want to see who wins." "Then what will you do with them?" Winter demanded. Vulture slowly lifted his head to stare at Winter again. "Eat the loser," he answered, "and save the winner to try again tomorrow against a different one. I'm curious to see whether they can learn anything." "They can," Winter said. "They're very intelligent. Too intelligent to eat. Eating them would be cruel." "Winter, shh," Quibbly whispered. "What a whimsical friend you've brought for my entertainment," Vulture said to Quibbly. He turned back to Winter. "You're quite wrong. Everyone agrees that they're no smarter than mice. If you were right, dragons would already know that, and no one would ever eat scavengers. And yet, we eat them all the time. Ergo, you must be mistaken." "But," Winter started, "it's perfectly normal to feel like your pet must think the way you do," Vulture said. And the condensation was spread so thick that Quibbly felt like rubbing his scales with sand to get them clean. "It's happened to many dragons. The Camels' Rights Movement. Iguanas are dragons, too. Save the Scavengers. World Walrus Fund. All very sweet and very misguided. Save your energy for dragons who can appreciate it,"